Hey there, my name is Olga. I work at an SEO studio called Yandowski SEO, where we promote English-speaking websites in the United States, in Arab Emirates, and in European countries. In this video, I want to tell you and show you how we create a content brief for a copywriter, what steps we take, what services we use for that, and how it looks in general. I hope you will find this information useful, and let's start. So the video will consist of mainly two parts. The first one, theoretical, where we'll look at the main components of the content brief, and after that we'll try to create our own content brief. And I will show you all the main steps that I take. So let's start with the first part. Let's look at the main components of the content brief that we write for our copywriters. It includes the title, first of all, yes, because if there are, usually we write 10 content briefs for 10 new texts per month, so it's crucial to somehow differentiate them and name them differently. So this is not the main part, but still we write it. Then we have the length of an article that we aim for, and the number of images. After that we have URL, which should be very precise. You should show where exactly the article that you are writing will be published, on which category of the page, on which exact page, the name of the page, and so on. Next we have meta title, that is not seen on the page itself, but we can see it on this on the search results page in search engines. It should be 60 to 70 characters. 70 is the maximum, but we personally write, usually we write no more than 60 characters, including the brand name, which we will come to a bit later. The meta title should start with the main keyword and should finish with the vertical line and the name of your brand. It's necessary for us because thus we promote the brand naming and we make it visible and known to more people. So next we have meta description. It's also not seen on the page itself, but it's seen on the page of search results. It should be 160 characters maximum, otherwise it wouldn't be seen, and maybe people wouldn't want to click on the link and look at what this page is about, and so on. Meta description should also contain keywords, but do not overuse them. It won't lead to anything good, I would say. Next, we write alt tags for photos, for images, and two main parts, H1 and H2, H3 headings, which we also create using keywords and so on. So I will tell about all of that a bit later. What else do we have here? We have a section with questions. So I analyze the questions myself and choose for each article individually. And then we have keywords for this. So usually it's empty when we start working, but since today we have this video, I prepared them in advance for us to write a content brief. Next we have the requirements for an article. They are, I would say, universal. Article or requirements. So usually we write mention to keep the reader in mind. We write how to use keywords, writing about introduction, conclusion, including call to action, maintaining originality, and trying to use lists, graphics, images, and so on. So the more interactive elements, the better. That was all about the theoretical part. Now let's look how we create content brief in practice. I usually start with counting and looking at the article, counting the words of the competitors of articles on the same topic, and calculating the amount of images we need. So today we'll practice on the topic, what is artificial intelligence? What we do. So in order to count the amount of words needed, I use Valentine app. It is a service that helps you see the search results in some particular region that you aim for. In our case, let it be the United States, and let it be New York. So if necessary, you can change the region, change the position itself, the city, and we type our query, which is what is artificial intelligence? Search, and we take the most appropriate pages. We skip the first pages because they are from quite big companies. we don't aim to compete with them. Let's take, yes, I've chosen some of them already. This one, and a couple from the second page. This one. And I don't know, let it be something like from the first page. Let's look at the first page once again. Let's take this one. So first we count the amount of words. I just simply copy and paste to a service which is called word counter. This one. So I copy, and I also look at the structure. So we have already here headings, how does AI work, why important, types, benefits, disadvantages, how it's used, different applications, examples, generative AI, regulation, future history, and frequently asked questions. So we copy them and paste to word counter. It shows approximately 3.5 thousand words. Let's look at other competitors. So this one, for example. So again, copying. Oh, this is not the best example. I personally wouldn't take it as a perfect competitor, but okay. Let's count the number of words. 1,800, okay. And the last one. So it doesn't matter that you copy everything, including the ads. So I also look at the structure now. Copying. I guess that's enough. Yeah. 3 and 5. Okay, approximately, let's say 3,000 words. So we come back and type 3,000. The amount of images is counted depending on the amount of words. Usually I count one image per 500 words. In this case we have 6 images. Now we'll write URL. So I know, for example, that this article that we are going to write the content brief for will be an informative article, and it will be posted in a blog. So we start with the domain, then we type where exactly the page, the article will be. It will be in the blog. And then we write the name of the article, including the main keyword. What is AI, artificial intelligence? Next, meta title. Here I start using artificial intelligence. So we can write meta tags ourselves, the same as the structure of the article, but I prefer to do it with the help of ChatGPT because it's faster and it helps in some cases to optimize even better than people. But again, we should check